Welcome to the Control Panel Technology Expo, where our customers, suppliers, and teammates interact.
To learn, collaborate, and grow.
Getting to meet with all of our world-class suppliers.
To highlight the importance of every company and individual.
Showcase our talented people.
A chance to connect, network, and learn.
Learn more about our suppliers and our internal capabilities.
We are excited to welcome you to the 2026 Control Panel Technology Expo.